Hello, and thank you for joining me. After recently visiting a winery, a colleague who's learning to shoot video asked me, "What's your process for shooting?" The problem is, I was kind of puzzled because I really didn't know. After looking at my footage, I realized I actually shoot wide, medium, tight. Here's the difference between me and other people. I go tight and I stay tight until I get a bunch of shots. Here's a typical sequence most of us would see on TV. Wide, extra wide, and a medium shot, right? So here's a sequence for my package.
So the reason we have to take the cuttings out of the vineyard is because if they have a disease on them or some mold issues, supposedly when it rains it'll splash up and reinfect the vine.
So here's how I shoot. I shoot a lot of footage as I approach a person or the action I want to record. When I get to the subject, I shoot tight and I stay there with varying degrees. In the next 14 seconds, I'm going to show you a clip with 4 shots. They're all tight on one clip. Now here's what that looks like when you place those tight shots with other wides and mediums.
Not everybody drinks wine, believe it or not.
The key to the wide, medium, tight sequence, or action, so to speak, is to pair the shots with other actions and never cut away from what's happening. Once you've recorded what you think you need, shoot a little more, because as we've all done in the field, we've not shot enough, and we don't find out until it's too late in the editing bay. Good luck and happy latakoo.